Ni arutwo a thukuru wa airitu wa Starehe aria marakorora gutigithiria gwathimura na guturwo ni mbaru na urugari muingi kuria maugite murimu uyu wambiriirie ciumia igiri hituku na nduri urakurikana ni uriku. Kurerikana na umwe wa airitu kuma thukuru-ini uyu augite murimu uyu ni uramarigithia kuria arutwo irathi cia form 1 nginyagia form 3 nio manyititwo ni murimu uyu ona gutwika arutwo a form 4 mari onaguo no matinetikirio kuinuka.
The situation is in the school, it's worse right now. As you can hear, the girls are still coughing. We don't know the way forward. The form 1s and 2s have been told to go home, but the form 4s we have to remain behind. They've told us that the Ministry of Health and Education, they've said that the form 4s can't leave the gate. But we're also wondering, the people who do the schools, the exam in day schools, they also do the exam.
Watoto wanakohoa na hatujajua shida ni nini. Lakini kukohoa non-stop kama 10 times.
Aciari maugite mari na hahu kuona matiramenya uria mekwigitira murimu uyu gutherema kuona ni mainukirie ciana ciao matakumenya uria magwika nao.
Watoto wetu watakuwa safe aje? Hatujapewa direction yote tuwapeleke hospitali ama nini? Tuwachukue tuwapeleke tu nyumbani.
It started with 6 children because we got some SMS some time back. 6 kids. Now as of today more than 80 students are coughing. Seriously, I don't think it's right. They've held our kids in this school for more than 10 days coughing. Sasa wameshindwa, wamesema you go with your kids.
Kurerikana na ndumiriri ya Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri yugitwo na thengia ya uthuthuria kuma kuri maabitha ugima wa mwiri unyitaniri-ini na marigitari thibitari-ini wa Kinyata gutire murimu makuruhanitie riboti-ini ino. Thukuru uyu ni uhingirwo kwa ihinda ritoikanine no arutwo a form 4 ni matigirwo niguo kwihariria igeranio cia KCSE. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritwara kwani Wanjiru wa Foro.